Hi, today we are going to do our exercise 4B. 4B is question number 3 and the second part of the question number 3. In our previous video, we did our question number 1. So, second part is 11,025. So, the same thing we will do. We are going to pairing it. When we pair it, so 25 and 10, they are making two pair, but we can see here one number is single. So 1 is the number when we are multiplying with number 1, we get the same number. So we will multiply it 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Here we are going to add them and subtract 1 plus 1 and negative 1 is 0. Now our next value is 10. So now we are going to select here any number where with we are multiplying the both numbers, we get number 10. So if we are taking again number 1 and 1 times 1 is 1 and 1 times 2 is 2, it's 22, and here we have 10. So this number is far bigger than number 10. So we will not do any, we are not going further taking any other number, because on number 1 is there is a bigger number. So if we are taking any other number means 2 or 3, so their number will be more bigger. So what we have to do, we are going on the backward way, means we will take now 0. When we are multiplying number 0 with 0, so we get the 0 numbers. So this is the best for us. So we are taking here 0, and when we are multiplying 0 with 20, it will be 0. This is already finished, so we are not writing here 0. Now when we subtract 10, 10 minus 0 0 is remaining 10. So when we are multiplying with number 0, our whole term will be 0, but when we are adding or subtracting with 0, the same number will come here. For example, like this, if you are negative, if you are subtracting number 10 with 0, the 10 will come same. But when we are multiplying with number 0, so our whole term will be 0. Okay, so now our number is 10 remaining, and we are taking here our next number, that is 25. So our number, and here we are going to add this 0. Now we are going to find the number which we are multiplying the whole number, and we can get the 1025. If we are multiplying with number 1, so we will take 1 times 1 is 2, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 2 is 2. So that is the, now what you have to do, here you have to use your common sense. Now this number is 1025 and this number is 202. So this is very small amount. So what we have to, this is a very small digit, so what we have to do, we are going to slightly bigger number. Now we are going to multiply it with number 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 is here carry, and this carry will come same here, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now it becomes 816. So 816 is also smaller, so we will go to the next number, that is the number 5. When we are multiplying with 5, 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 will remain here. 5 times 2 is 10. Now you can see we get the same number 1025 on number 5. So 5 is the digit. When we are multiplying 5 with number 5, we get 1025, and when we subtract it, so we can get nothing. And always we are starting our subtraction from our right side, and means from our units, tens, hundred, and thousands. So now there is nothing remaining, so it means uh 11,025 under root is 105. So this is the answer of our question number 2, that is 11,025 having the 105 square root. So now this is the question number 2, and now I'm going to solve the question number 3 of question number 3. In a question number 3, our values are getting now bigger, so the pattern is same. Question number 3 is 46225, 46,225. Again we are pairing it. Now let's see, number 4 is here, single. So number 4, you can see that when we are multiplying 2 with number 2, we get the 4 number. So 2 times 2 is 4, negative. So there is nothing. We are adding this number 2, that is 4. Now our next pair is 62. Now which number we are using to solve this pair? For example, if we are multiplying here with the number 1, always start with the smaller number. If you are not getting the same number or not getting the nearest number, then you will go further. 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by 4 is 4. So we will get the 41. Okay, now here I'm going to make with the 42 times table, or if I'm going to multiply with number 2, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so now here we see that, okay, 42, if we are multiplying 42 with number 2, we get the 84, and 84 is the bigger number than 62. So we cannot take this. So we will go to the smaller number, that is 41. So 41 means 1. 1 times 1 is 41, negative. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So now we have our 21, and our next pair is 25. So now what we have to do, we are going to find the number when we are multiplying it, so you can get the 2125. Now the next hint is that whenever you are taking having these types of numbers, or the number which is are odd number, so you know that odd numbers are mostly going with their own table. So what we have to do now, we are going to multiply with number 5, because in a number 5 times table 5 is coming in, and also in the 3 times table also 15 is come. So first we are going to multiply with number 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 4 is 12. So now here we get 1269. That number is a smaller number. We will go to slightly bigger number, and there is 5. So we will take this number 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Now 5 times 2 is 10, and we add this 2 carry, then it becomes 12, 2 and 1 again. Here 5 times 4 is 20 and 21. So 5 is the number. When we are multiplying that number 5 with 5, we get 2125. So this is the solution of this sum. When we are subtracting it, so there is nothing remainder, 0 0 0. It means 46,225 under root of 46,225 is 215. This is the answer of our question number 3. Question number 3 is part 3. So this is very simple, and if the values are bigger, so what we have to do, we are using our same pairing method. And if the number is alone, so what we have to do, we are going to take the number, and when we multiply, always we are taking the smaller number, not a bigger number. So we get our under root of 46,225 is 2015. Thank you.